We worked very extensively with Clarissa and with Matt Starr ahead of this event to get matched with high priority delegates. And I would say, yesterday was fantastic. They were good matches. We were aligned on needs versus what Rohrer can supply. And we also listened to some fantastic subject matter experts presenting in the morning sessions. And we learned all about how sustainability and reduction of your carbon footprint as a producer, as a brand, as well as making sure those materials are in your supply chain, can be a real competitive advantage and can add a lot of value to your organization and for your shareholders. So I thought that was just very exciting learning, and I think that we're in the right spot at this Marcus Evans event. I think what I have seen so far is the very careful matching of delegates and presentations and sessions with the attendees who are here. So I think they've done a very good job of aligning the needs between suppliers like Rohrer and the delegate audience that are here. And there are many. There are over 60 delegates here. And we went through the process with Marcus Evans' team to prioritize who we would want to meet. And we got about 90% hit rate with that. So we were very pleased. This is such a target-rich environment. Everyone's here in one place for 2 days. It's invaluable. It would take weeks, months, to line up all of those really valuable engagements and key contacts. So that's been invaluable for us.